Okay, so as we all know, our brakes are perhaps the most critical safety item in your car. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a quick tip how you can make a simple visual inspection to determine the condition of your brake pads. Now, as a quick disclaimer, this is only applicable for disc brakes. If your car uses drum brakes at the rear, well, you can't do a quick visual inspection because the drum brake is all fully contained. The brake shoe is hidden inside the drum, so you have to open it to check the condition of the brake shoes. But with brake pads, it's very easy because right here, as you can see, well, here is the disc, which is exposed, and all you have to do is just to have a torchlight in handy and you can look directly at the caliper. If you really must, you can have one of these as well to, well, more scientifically measure the thickness of the brake pad available. Here, this is the brake pad. You can see right here, this is the pad. This part is the shim and this is the actual wear and tear part of the pad. Now, from what I can see here, this actually, even with a quick visual inspection, these pads look very, very healthy. You don't really need to measure it, all right, to tell that they are healthy. But if you must, okay, I believe from one look, I believe it is about, it's either 5 or 6 mm left lah. So let me try with the 6 mm. Yeah. So it is 6 millimeters left in there, pretty healthy. So another quick guide is that if you have one of these at your disposal, and they are very cheap, you can buy this very cheaply of Lazada. If your brake pad thickness is measurable by the green or the yellow tips, you're fine. Once you hit the red ones, well, it's time to get yourself new pads. So let me just quickly show you how does a brake pad look like before it is installed. So this is a pair, okay? They go on either side of the disc, okay? And the part that you were measuring just now was here. This is the pad that touches the disc, and what I was measuring just now with this tool was here. Okay, so you use this to measure the thickness of this pad, and as this wears out, this progressively wears out from 10 mm to 8 mm, 5 mm. Once you hit about 4 or 5 mm, it's time to change. Now, there's also a wear indicator whereby you can see as the pad wears progressively thinner, okay, this shim gets pushed closer and closer to the disc. What happens is that once this reaches about 3 mm or 2 mm of thickness, that is when you step on the brakes, this metal will rub against the rotor and will cause a squealing sound. That's a reminder that it's time to change your pads. So I hope you found today's video useful. This quick tip was brought to you by EvoClub, a world-class manufacturer of braking components that is part of the iShin Group. So in collaboration with them, I'm giving away a set of disc brakes and pads from EvoClub to one lucky viewer. All you have to do is share this video or any upcoming content from EvoClub Car Wash's official Facebook or Instagram featuring EvoClub products, tag us and iShin Malaysia, and WhatsApp a screenshot to us. Winner of the giveaway will be the post with the highest number of likes, comments, and shares. So get sharing now. I'll see you in the next video.